I bought these interior accessories for the BMW M2, and wow, it's quite a lot to get through. I just want to show you guys kind of what I've bought. So it's to essentially protect the car and the interior parts of the car. So we have the steering wheel cover here. We'll install that sometime. We have the keyless cover, wipes for the interior, and this is a genuine leather cleaner or conditioner from BMW. It's quite a bit of money. Forgot how much I bought it for, but I believe it was close to 60 to 70 euro, which is quite a lot. We also have on this side the mats for the car. The car does have it already. It's one of those stocks that comes with it, but we need the heavy duty mats because in this country, in the Netherlands, it rains a lot, so the flooring gets dirty quite a bit. And then lastly, we have the seat covers for the car, and yeah, they'll obviously hopefully protect the seating, the leather, so that should do. I think hopefully these items will protect or at least keep the interior of the car as new in years to come. So that's why I bought these, to ensure that my investment is it'll hold up to this value. So think about that when you have a car that you spent quite a lot of money on. You want to make sure that you protect it, just like in the last video I discussed about the PPF. So this car have a full PPF cover all around, so I don't have to worry about the matte paint as much. So that's great for me, so I don't have to worry about that. Same with the interior. I want to treat it just as much, so we'll have this car fully protected, and that's just the end game. With that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.